Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellence and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible UAPNs through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and value-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethnical trailblazer, bringing our principle-centered culture defining our values of Makajos, Marunong, and Balinis. Our three core values is uprightness, excellence, and passion. Our instructor in Net 101 is Sir Philip Michael Wanan. Ang natutunan namin sa networking ay yung mga types ng network, kagaya ng LAN, WAN, and MAN. And the other network devices like switch, router, and iba pa. Network protocols like DNS, UDP, at iba pa. Na-experience din namin na mag-assemble ng Ethernet cable at pagganahin ito. Yun lamang po.